A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start 8th lecture of chapter 7 integrals. So class, in previous lecture I have completed exercise 7.2 numericals of NCERT books. So class, now today I will start with exercise 7.3 questions related to NCERT. So see, now see, question number 1 is integrate the function sine squared 2x plus 5. So we have to integrate the function sine squared 2x plus 5. So how you will integrate this part? First of all, write the solution, and now integral part sine square 2x plus 5 dx. Let t is equal to 2x plus 5. Now you can write dt by dx result is 2. So this one can be written as 1 by 2 dt is equal to dx. Now we have to change the integral in terms of dt. So integration over sine square, this result is t, and now dx result is 1 by 2 dt. So dt is here and 1 by 2 is outside the integral. So now next step will be 1 by 2 integration over sine square t, now dt, and you know the formula, since sine square t or cos 2x formula, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So sine square x, when you will separate, you will get the result 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So this formula I will have to apply. So result will be 1 minus cos 2t by 2, and now dt. This is the value of sine square t. Now 1 by 2 is constant term, so that will be outside the integral and result will be 1 by 4. So integration over 1 minus cos 2t and dt. And now when you will integrate, integration over 1 dt, result will be t, and integration over cos 2 dt, so result will be minus sine 2t whole upon 2. This one can be solved by using substitution method. Now plus c and put the values of t. T is equal to, we have considered 2x plus 5, so result will be 1 by 4 2x plus 5 minus sine of 2 times 2x plus 5 whole upon 2 bracket close plus c. So this will be the answer. This is the answer. Now question number 1 is completed. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is integrate the function sine of 3x into cos of 4x. So now we have to rationalize this trigonometric function. So solution is here. Suppose we are going to rationalize by 2. First of all, write the integral part. So sine of 3x into cos of 4x dx, and now we have to rationalize by 2. So 2 times sine 3x into cos 4x dx. Now you know the formula, 2 sine a cos b, result is sine of a plus b plus sine a minus b. Then its result can be written as 2 sine a sine b. Result is sine of a plus b. At the place of a there is 3x and b 4x. So sine of a plus b means 3x plus 4x plus sine of a minus b means sine of 3x minus 4x, and now dx. So this is the formula, and you will simplify, you will get the result 1 by 2 integration over sine of 7x plus integration over sine of minus x dx. So 1 by 2 in square bracket integration over sine of 7x minus 7x dx minus integration over sine of, because sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, so sine of dx, x dx. Now we have to integrate. Its integration will be, say, in square bracket 1 by 2 in square bracket sine of 7x integration by using method of substitution. Sine 7x, sine integration is minus cos 7x, and 7x, that is 7, then reciprocal 1 by 7 minus plus, its integration will be cos x, now plus c. So this is the answer, and you can multiply 1 by 2 also in bracket. Now result will be minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 14 cos 7x plus 1 by 2 cos x, and now plus c. So this is the answer. Question number 2 is completed. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is integrate the function cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. So now first of all write the integral part. Integration over cos of 2x, cos of 4x and cos of 6x dx. Now we have to pair and rationalize by 2. Suppose we are going to rationalize 2 times cos 2x cos 6x into cos of 4x dx. Now suppose we have taken pair. So now when you will see these brackets, 2 times cos a cos b, and what formula can you apply? 2 cos a cos b, result is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So now result will be cos of a plus b, means in curly bracket cos of a plus b means 2x plus 6x, result will be 8x, and now cos of a minus b, result will be 2x minus 6x, result will be cos of minus 4x. You can here right here, means cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, so result will be cos of 4x. Cos of 6x minus 2x, result is cos of 4x, and now cos of 4x dx. Now multiply 1 by 2 integration over cos of 8x cos of 4x plus cos square 4x dx. Now again rationalize by 2 in this expression. Then suppose 1 by 4 outside the integration, multiply by 2 in this bracket. So 2 times cos 8x into cos 4x dx plus integration over 2 times cos square 4x dx. Now this is the integration part. Now you know 2 cos A cos B result is, so 1 by 4 in bracket integration over 2 cos A cos B result is cos of A plus B, means result will be cos of 12x plus cos of A minus B, result will be cos of 4x. And now dx. And next 2 cos square x, 2 cos square theta, means 2 cos square theta means 2 cos square x, 1 minus 1 plus cos 2x by 2, so by 2 and 2 will cancel out, so result will be 1 plus cos 4x. So its answer will be, its calculation will be 1 plus cos 4 into 2x. So now right here we are going to write here plus integration over 1 plus cos 8x dx, square bracket closed. Now we have to integrate these two term and these two term. So result will be 1 by 4 cos 12x integration. Cos 12x result is sin 12x by 12. Now cos 4x integration is sin 4x by 4. Now integration over 1 dx is plus x. Now cos 8x is sin 8x by 8. Now bracket closed. Now you can multiply and write constant of integration, that is plus c. Now you can multiply 1 by 4 in the bracket, so result will be 1 by 48 sin 12x plus 1 by 16 sin 4x plus x by 4 and plus sin 8x by 32. So now you can write this is also the answer. So question number 3 is completed. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is integration over sin cube x 2x plus 1. So now first of all write the integral part. So sin of cube 2x plus 1 dx. Now we can write this expression sin into 2x plus 1 sin 2x plus 1 into sin square 2x plus 1 into sin of 2x plus 1 dx. So now again you can change sin square theta in terms of cos square theta. Then what will be the result? Result will be 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1. This is the value of sin square 2x plus 1. Now multiply by sin of 2x plus 1 dx. So multiply here, this result will be sin of 2x plus 1 dx minus integration over cos square 2x plus 1 dx, 2x plus 1 into sin of 2x plus 1 dx. Now again we have to integrate. So in this integration you will consider 2x plus 1 is equal to t. So sin t integration will be minus cos t, and 2x result is x, 2x result is 2. So product will be 1 by 2. So minus time cos of 2x plus 1 by 2. Now minus time. In this question you will consider t is equal to integration, you will consider t is equal to cos 2x plus 1, then dt will be equal to minus 2 times sin 2x plus 1 and dx. So minus 2 times sin 2x plus 1 dx is the value dt. So its result will be minus 1 by 2 t square dt, and t is equal to cos 2x. T is equal to cos 2x dx dt. So now this will be copy here, minus cos of 2x plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and its integration will be t cube by 3, and you know t is equal to, we have considered in this question, t is equal to cos of 2x plus 1. So put the values of t. So cos of 2x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 cube by 3, and now plus c. So 2 3 are 6, and the result will be this is the answer. This is the answer. So answer is minus cos of 2x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 cos of 2x plus 1, cos cube of 2x plus 1. So this is the answer. Now this question is completed. Now come to the next question. Question number 5 is integration over sin cube x into cos cube x into dx. So write the solution. So now integration over sin cube x into cos cube x dx. Now you can convert sin square x into sin x, or you can also convert cos square x into cos x. Sin cube x as it is copy, and cos square x into cos x dx. Now again you can convert cos square theta in terms of sin square theta. Result is sin cube x 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. Now let t is equal to sin x. This implies dt is equal to cos x dx, and now cos x dx will convert in dt, and this whole term in terms of t, that is t cube 1 minus t square with dt. So integral part is converted into t terms or terms of t. So now multiply, result will be t cube dt minus t to the power 5 dt, and you can integrate easily. T cube integration is you know t to the power 4 by 4 plus minus t to the power 5 by 5, and now plus c. So t result is sin x. You have considered, so sin to the power 4x whole upon 4 minus sin to the power 5x whole upon 5, now plus c. Now this will be the answer. This is power 5. So this will be power 6 plus 1. So power 6 by 6. This will be the answer. There is one mistake here. T to the power 5. Now answer is sin to the power 4x upon 4 minus sin to the power 6x upon 6 plus c. That is the answer. So now question number 5 is completed. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is integrate the function sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x dx. So first of all, you have to rationalize by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 times sin x into sin 3x into sin of 2x dx. Now this expression can be written in the format. Now 1 by 2 integration over 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b formula you know, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So cos of a minus b, at the place of a there is x, b there is 3x. So a minus b result will be minus 2x, and this is even function, so it will be positive. So cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, result is 4x. Now this will multiply by sin 2x dx. Now its result will be integration over sin 2x multiply, so cos of 2x into sin of 2x dx, in square bracket consider, and integration over cos 4x into sin 2x dx. Now you know 2 sin theta into cos theta, result is sin 2 theta. So again rationalize by 2. So this will be 1 by 4 integration over 2 times cos of 2x into sin 2x dx minus 2 times cos of 4x into sin of 2x dx. Now 2 sin a sin b result you know, sin 2b, sin 2a, and you can the formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta, result is sin 2 theta. So its answer will be sin of 4 theta. So result will be 1 by 4 outside the integral part, integration over sin of 4x. This will be sin 4x dx minus, and this is the result of sin of a plus b minus sin a minus b. So integration over sin of a plus b result is 6x minus sin of a minus b, result is 2x whole dx. Now square bracket closed. See, now 1 by 4 sin 4x result is cos 4x by 4 with negative sign and a minus, its integration means sin of 6x, result will be cos 6x by 6 with negative sign. So this will be positive and this will be positive, and integration will give the negative. So sin of integration of sin 2x, result will be cos 2x by 2. Now plus c. So this will be the, or you can multiply here. When you will multiply, result will be minus cos 4x upon 24, 16, not 24, 4 4 ja 16, plus cos 6x upon 24 minus cos 2x upon 8, now plus c. This is the answer. Now question number 6 is completed. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 is integration over sine of 4x into sine of 8x dx. So now see the solution. We have to integrate this function. So first of all, write the integral part. Sine of 4x into sine of 8x dx. Now first of all, you will have to rationalize by 2. So result sine 4x into sine of 8x dx, and you know the formula, 2 sine A into sine B. 2 sine A into sine B. 2 sine A into sine B is the result of cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Then cos of A minus B, when you will subtract, you will get the negative result, so it will be positive because it is the even function. So cos of 4x minus cos of 12x, now dx. Now integration over, in square bracket, integration over cos 4x dx minus integration over cos 12x dx. Now you can integrate easily. So 1 by 2 cos 4x integration is sin 4x by 4 and minus sin 12x by 12. Now plus c. C is the constant of integrations. Now you can write here, because 1 by 2 sine of 4x by 4 minus sine of 12x by 12. This will be the answer. Now question number 7 is completed. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8 is integration over 1 minus cos x whole upon 1 plus cos x dx. So now see the solution. Write the integral part. 1 minus cos x whole upon 1 plus cos x. So you know the formula. Cos x result can be written as in terms of sine, that is 1 minus, this cos x can be written as 1 minus 2 times sine square x by 2, and this cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 dx. So plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out, and this minus 1 minus 2 will be plus, and plus minus will cancel out from denominator. So after cancel part, result will be 2 times sine square x by 2 upon 2 times cos square x by 2 dx. And now 2 will cancel out from numerator and denominator. So what you will get the result? Result will be sine square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 dx, and now it will be tan square x by 2 dx. And tan square x by 2 you can change in terms of sec, that is sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now this integration will be in two parts. Sec square x by 2 dx minus 1 dx, and sec square x by 2 calculation or integral, you know its result is 10x by 2 with 2, because x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2 and its reciprocal, that is 2, minus x plus c. So this will be the answer. Now question number 8 is completed. Now come to question number 9. Question number 9 is integration over cos x whole upon 1 plus cos x dx. So in this question, what you will do? First of all, you have to change the numerator. So how you can change? Suppose we have operate plus 1 and minus 1 in numerator. So now this integration will convert into two parts. This result is integration over 1 plus cos x whole upon 1 plus cos x dx minus integration over 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx. And this will be 1 dx minus integration over 1 upon 1 plus cos x, result is means 1 plus 2 times cos square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out, and integration over 1 dx result will be 1. Integration over 1 dx result will be x, not 1, minus this result is 1 by 2 integration over 1 upon cos square x by 2 dx. Now this one can be written as x minus 1 by 2 integration over sec square x by 2 dx. Now x minus 1 by 2 and sec square x by 2 integration, that is 10x by 2. And now 10x by 2 and x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2, so its reciprocal will 2 multiply. Now plus c. So answer will be x minus 2 will cancel out, 10x by 2 plus c. This will be the answer. Now question number 9 is completed.